Hi, my name is Adam, and for this portion we're going to be talking about awning and the awning's function. According to the RV manufacturer of our awnings, the awning should be used as a sunshade. Can be used with light rain, but use your discretion with that. Typically, when storms and the weather changes, the awning should be retracted and stored. And it should not definitely be left unattended. If the awning is left unattended, the weather does change, the wind usually raises havoc on our awning, and that can end up doing unnecessary and unwanted damage to our exterior of our RV. With the different types of awnings out there, there is a number of different ways on how to operate the awning safely and according to manufacturer. But in the event of a failure of either retraction or extension, typically the ones that we're normally concerned about is retracting the awning so that you can take it in for servicing. The best way is to refer to your manual for the proper way to do that. If that doesn't answer any of your questions, then maybe make a phone call to your local service department.